Here in this video, I'll show and guide you to remove the back cover on the Barista Touch. Start by tipping the machine on its side. From here, there is located 2 screws visible on the right side, which is the back of the machine. You then need to remove the 4 rubber feeds located in each corner. After that, remove the middle screw that is holding the plastic piece stuck to the bottom with the feet attached. Here, if you watch where the screwdriver is pointing at, there is a small white plastic tab, which is now holding the pieces together. You need to pry it open while carefully prying the plastic apart from the body. Do the same on the opposite side of the machine. When the first side is detached, the opposite side will pop open when you prying that plastic tab open. When you get it off, you carefully remove the water tank level sensor and the water hose from the back cover. After that, you do now have access to the whole machine from the back. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.